Roblox password on mobile. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to view your Roblox password for all your accounts. You can see all your logged in accounts right here on your phone, and the process is really straightforward. First step is to open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, you can view all your saved passwords. So I'll open Google Chrome here. Now click on the three dots in the top corner. Up here, click the three dots, then click on Settings. Next, you'll see an option for Google Password Manager. Click on this Password Manager option. In the Password Manager, look for the Roblox option. If you can't find it, click Search at the top and type Roblox. In this example, I have 6 accounts with saved passwords. I'll click here. So here are my usernames. To see the password, just click this option and your Roblox account password will appear. Quick and easy process. Did you manage to do it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.